What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're over here at Mike's shop today. He got the powerglide in that we built a few weeks ago, and this thing sounds so rowdy. Let's see if transmission works. Hopefully we got all the gears and everything is right. Hopefully we'll be at the track soon with this thing making some test passes. But for the meantime, just listen to this Procharged LS motor bang them off. This thing sounds awesome. How much fluid you put in?
It was full on the stick.
Okay, we need to drop the back end down so we can check the fluid. Reverse work, first work, second was a little not there.
That might be the linkage.
So the linkage feels funny. Okay, put it in second on the shifter. I'm gonna put it up in the air and then we'll adjust it real fast. All right, so we're doing a little bit of adjusting on the shifter linkage here. We had to move it just a little bit. It wasn't fully engaging second gear. Luckily, there's a decent amount of room to work on this thing. All right, so there's a couple quarts low on oil, which that's, typically you put 4 to 6 quarts in it. Crank it up, run it through the gears, and then try again. We also, the shifter linkage, we adjusted, so he's gonna try it again. second pretty firm? You felt it?
Nope. Straight in.
Okay. All right, so he'll be testing too.